Alaska has the second highest suicide rate in the nation, at 21.6%, almost doubling the national average of 11.3%. Among the Alaska Native population, the suicide rate is 35.1%. These statistics are bleak, but the nonprofit Fairbanks Community Wellness Organization hopes to change that. To aid in the effort to help those in need, our mission is to assist Alaskan people with mental health services by providing resources, education, and community building opportunities. If you have recently lost a loved one, if the future seems dim, if there's nothing in life that excites you anymore and you feel lonely and cut off from the rest of the world, or if you know someone you'd like to refer or would like help in order to find out ways in which you can help them, contact us. We care, Fairbanks.